Hi, I'm Bill Sokol, and I'd like to talk with you today about vacation pay in the state of California, the laws that apply to vacation pay. This is not really legal advice. This is just a description of the law. If you turn out to need legal advice, please talk to the lawyer of your choice. Now, let's talk about vacation pay. There's some bad news, there's some good news. First, the bad news. Here in the state of California, there's no requirement that an employer must pay any vacation at all or give you any vacation at all. An employer can hire you and tell you there's no vacation at this place of employment, and that's totally legal and totally proper, okay? But the good news is, if the employer does say there's vacation, then the employer must pay or give you the vacation time. So it's what we call a vested right. If you earn vacation, it can't be taken away from you. When you're, let's say, for example, terminated or laid off, if you haven't taken it all, it must be paid to you. Or, let me give you another example. An employer can't say to you, use it or lose it. That is, you have to use the 2 weeks you have within 6 months or within a year, or you lose it, you can't have it. That's not allowed. You've already earned the vacation, so you're entitled to it. It can't be taken away from you. Now, there is a proviso, I have to warn you. An employer can say to you, you've got your 2 weeks, or your 4 weeks, or your 6 weeks on the books, and you can't earn more vacation until you take the vacation you already have. That's legitimate, but he can't take away what you already have. Basically, vacation pay is vested once you've earned it, okay? Now, in terms of earning vacation pay, an employer can say that you have a probationary period during which you don't earn vacation or can't take vacation. That is, there's a probationary period of employment place for, let's say, 3 months or 6 months, and you can only take vacation after that period of time. That's legal and proper. Now, in addition, what an employer can say to you is, I'm going to pay you the vacation that you're entitled to at the time you're laid off or terminated, and it comes to you right now with the wages. Okay? That's legitimate if you haven't taken the vacation yet. Now, how do you earn the vacation? When do you earn it? How does it come your way? Let's say after the probationary period, you're told that you get 2 weeks per year. That is earned on what we think of as a pro rata basis. In other words, if you get 2 weeks per year, if you work half a year, you're entitled to half your vacation. So if you're in 2 weeks in a year, you're owed 1 week after 6 months. By the same token, it accumulates really on a day-by-day basis. You can figure out, I'm entitled to 4 weeks in a year. How many hours is that per day? And each day you get a certain number of hours of vacation. It's vested. It can't be taken away. It can't be put on a use or lose it basis. Now, let's say you don't get your vacation pay. When you're terminated or laid off or you're subject to a use it or lose it policy, what can you do about it? What's your remedy? Very simple. In the state of California, you can go to the Labor Commissioner's office. The Labor Commissioner works for the state of California in the Department of Industrial Relations. Okay? You can look up in the phone book, you can look up on the web. The Labor Commissioner has offices in every major city in the state of California, and you can go and file a claim, and they'll take care of it for you at no cost to you. In the alternative, you can go to an attorney. An attorney may want to take the case for you, or you could do it pro per, and attorney's fees will be available. In addition, if you're not paid your vacation in a timely manner, there are penalties and fees that are available that you can recover in addition to the vacation pay. I hope this now makes sure that you know your rights and that you enforce your rights.